Now this is going to be pure magic. There are only 4 basic spices which you need to understand to make you a better cook. Everybody who walks through my kitchens gets complete knowledge of flavors. And I'm going to show you exactly how to make a very simple chicken tikka in your own homes without a tandoor. There is a reason why this is the best rice dish in the world. I'm going to show you my way of making lamb keema, mustard chicken, lamb korma and butter chicken. That is the best butter chicken. What we want you to take from here is these building blocks which you can then use in your own homes. I like to have more character or more depth to my dishes. I love the food to come to life. Isn't that beautiful? It's absolutely sensational. Wow. Oh, magic. I am Vineet Bhatia and this is my BBC Maestro course on modern Indian cooking.